to your English class. Children, in the previous video, I had shared with you how to write an invitation. Now today, in this video, you shall be explained as to how to write replies to invitations, both formal and informal. Do go through the entire PPT very carefully and understand the same. Children, a reply to an invitation is as much formal or informal as the invitation itself is. It means that if the invitation is formal, then the reply is also formal, and if the invitation is an informal one, then you have to make the reply also in an informal tone. A reply to a formal invitation may be sent in the form of a printed reply card, a formal personal note, or a formal letter. Whereas an informal invitation may be responded to through an informal letter, email, or text message. Choice of a font and setting of the subject matter remain the same as in the invitation card. Now, tips or points for writing replies to invitation. Follow the tone and style of the invitation. Write a formal reply if the invitation is formal one, and an informal reply if the invitation is an informal one. There is no need to sign a printed formal reply, but an informal reply is always signed. If the invitation card has come with a reply card, use it to RSVP, that is, respond for your presence. Children, if you are accepting the invitation, express your gratitude and include the details of date and time of the function by way of confirmation. That is, you will say that thanks for the invitation. I will be at Hotel Maya on 29th of February at 7 p.m. sharp. That is, you are confirming all the details by way of reply. And if you are declining the invitation, if you are refusing, if you cannot be present for the occasion, express your regret and include an appropriate reason as far as possible, and add a little charm to rely by including greetings like best wishes. Whether you plan to attend the event or not, be sure to thank the host for inviting you. The host has invited you and you must thank the host for it. Further, if possible, write a handwritten response to an informal invitation rather than typing a letter. For formal invitation cards, you may reply using similar structures as the invitation. If the invitation is written in the third person, your reply should be written accordingly. Otherwise, follow the standard guidelines for writing a letter. Now children, here is a sample for formal reply when you are accepting the invitation. How do you write? Mr. Raj Kapoor has the pleasure in accepting the invitation of Mrs. and Mr. P.D. Agarwal for their son's marriage on 30th of August at 2 p.m. He will be glad to attend the marriage on time and to bless the newly married couple. He has all the best wishes for the bride and the groom on that special day. Now see, it's a formal reply. It is written in the third person. It is thanking the host for invitation. It is confirming the place, the time, the date of the function, and it is also sending the best wishes for the newlywed couple or according to the invitation or the occasion. Now children, an informal reply for acceptance. Write on top the address, date, Dear Ravi. Thank you very much for your kind invitation to the dinner party at your place on 28th of August 2011 at 8 p.m. I have great pleasure in accepting your kind invitation and I am glad at your success. I hope very much to have an enjoyable time with you at your residence. Yours sincerely, and giving the name XYZ whatsoever. So, in an informal reply, we are writing in the first person, just the format as of that in an informal letter, the address, the date, salutation, dear, and the name, the first name of the person to whom you're writing the reply, and in an informal tone, the reply is given. But again, congratulating, thanking for the event, congratulating the person, and confirming the place, the time, the date of the meeting. I hope, children, all of you have understood how to write replies to both formal and informal invitations. What are the points to be kept in mind? That's all for today. In case of any doubts, do post your queries in the comment section of the Google Classroom. Till then, take care. God bless you all.